I'm looking for information about my ship. Hopefully the power of this community can help in this regard. Let's do a flashback to 1966. The ship has just been welded to the design and commission of Van Leeuwen in Rotterdam. In those days, most boats were stripped of the mill scale, which was still on the steel plates, by sandblasting them. Immediately afterwards they were given a zinc coating applied by a special blowtorch, schoeperen, after the inventor Schoep. A yellow chromate paint was applied as a primer as soon as possible. Here you see Van Leeuwen's boat at the time of launching in the Strang, just in front of the shed. After some detective work online, I was able to get in touch with Rien van Os. After a brief email contact, Rien answered me, "It pleases me to see again a picture of an old boat on which I once worked on in my younger years. Unfortunately, the yacht has not existed for a long time, and probably none of the people who worked on the hull of this boat are still alive." At the Eltink yard, only the hull was built for Van Leeuwen out of Rotterdam. As far as I know, the client was on the board of one of the port committees. The ship's interior was also finished there. I never heard anything more about the ship later, nor do I know anything about the finished work. Thank you for the information, Rien. Further internet friends knew to tell me that in this series 3 or 4 boats were built to this design, but always with a minor or major deviation from the original plan. Despite Rien information, to my surprise, I found another nameplate in the wheelhouse of Enkhuizer Shipyard. Perhaps here lies another denouement in the hidden history. If anyone has more information regarding this ship, please leave me a message. I hope to learn more about her history this way. But now back to the harsh reality. After purchase, I found the boat with an open leak in the pilot house, so action had to be taken quickly. The hatch had to be made watertight. There were several layers of glue and paint on the hatch, all kinds of residue that I tried scraping off as much as I could by hand since my sandblasting system wasn't up and running yet. This was about as good as I could get it, so I diverted to other methods. I decided to turn to an aggressive paint remover, and just by applying 2 layers of it and with some patience, the results were pretty impressive, I must say. Wow, check this out. So only 20 minutes later these 40, 50 and 60-year-old paint came off like as if it was nothing. I loved it. With that done, it was time for a family date at the boat for some further inspection. With my dad and my wife. And she didn't look too happy with the state of the boat. Well, anyway, with the temporary fix of this hatch almost done, we were ready to give this old lady top deck cabinets, they came off pretty much all by themselves. Now would you look at that, isn't she beautiful, just by a good thorough cleaning? I love it. Now on to the next task, and that is getting all the oily waters and residue out of the motor compartment. Now for all you motorheads out there, the boat is propelled by two DAF DU 575 engines that originally pushed the boat with 102 horses each. And then there was, or there is, I don't know what I should say, central heating throughout the whole boat. Okay, now back to the task at hand, and that is pumping out all of the oily waters from the engine room.
Howdy, YouTube friends! We're back for more of the same, finishing up the former head, and then we start on the starboard side. Let's get into it. Cheers!
So next time on Project Y, we'll be using an angle grinder extensively, and then we'll make some more sparks fly. I'll even give welding a try.